Hi, excuse me. Hi, my name's Ronnie. I'm a street portrait photographer.
Okay.
I take pictures of people in the public, and I think you look really cool and really great. I was wondering if I could quickly just take your portrait for you.
Man.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I'll show you my work very quickly, so you don't think I'm some kind of weirdo just collecting
right.
people's pictures.
Oh, nice.
So I take pictures of people all across London and different areas, just to show that London's not such a scary place if you say hello to people, and to show the diversity of London, how beautiful it is here. And what I've started to do is I've started to film my interactions with people as well.
Okay.
It's going up, and then at the end of the video it kind of just shows the pictures as well.
Nice.
If you wanted to follow me, I can tag you on Instagram. I don't know if you have Instagram.
No, I don't.
Okay. Could I quickly grab your portrait?
Do you want to put these down, or what do you want to do?
Whatever you prefer, man. If you want to put them down,
This
you can.
is life, innit?
Yeah,
Just take
exactly,
it.
exactly. You got a really cool style, man.
Thanks.
Beautiful. What's your name?
Ryan.
Ryan. Give us a little smile, Ryan. Little cheeky smile.
Don't go there. That's a bad angle there.
No, it's not. You look gangster, man.
Nice.
You look like you're a villain in a Batman movie.
It's not what I was going for when I put this outfit on, but I'll take it. I'll take it.
It's good, mate. It's good.
Nice. Yeah, look great.
That low angle there.
Yeah, like it.
If you want a copy of them, you can take my email. I can send them over to you if you want.
Yeah,
It'll be up to you. Yeah?
No, it's alright. I'll follow you.
You sure?
Road it.
Ronnie, it's R-O-N-I. He could be a villain in a series.
I'll audition. Ronnie, R-O-N-I.
R-O-N-I _
Yep.
S-I
Yep.
D-H-U.
D-H-U. Nice one.
Yeah. Cheers, Ryan.
Nice to meet you.
Really appreciate it.
Yeah.
Have a great day, man. Hi there. Excuse me.
What's up?
My name is Ronnie. I'm a portrait photographer, street portrait photographer.
Mm-hmm.
I'm doing a little project where I'm taking pictures of people in the public and showing the diversity of London and the beauty of people. I was wondering, you got such a great style and look. I was wondering if I could quickly take a picture of you.
Sure, that's fine.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Can I show you my work quickly, so you don't think I'm some sort of weirdo just collecting pictures of people? This is basically my work. This is me. So what I've started to do is filming my interactions with people.
Okay.
To show that London's not such a scary place. That if you reach out and you say hello to somebody and you just explain who you are and where you're from and what you're doing,
people are willing to interact. Yeah.
People are willing to interact.
Yeah.
The energy you put out is what you kind of get back. Because a lot of people think that, and a lot of people spend too much time behind digital screens these days, and there's not enough human interaction.
Yeah,
so
I
I'm just
agree.
trying to show a bit of that back. Is it alright if I take a picture?
Yeah, of course. How long have you lived in London?
I was born in London.
You're born in London?
I was born in London,
Okay.
yeah. But I've started travelling around. The last 2 years I've been living in Ibiza.
Okay.
But my grand's feeling a bit sick, so I've come back to London to check in with family and stuff. But then we'll see if we got all of my stuff, my car, all of my things are over there
Everything's
packed away.
Yeah.
So we have to go back there to get that stuff. But after that, I don't know, maybe Bali, maybe Mexico.
Okay,
I don't
cool.
know. How about yourself?
I've lived in London for like 12 years now. Yeah.
And originally, were you?
I'm from the US originally.
US?
Yeah.
Oh, whereabouts?
I'm from Ohio.
Ohio, is that
It's in the middle, the Midwest.
in the Midwest?
Yeah.
How are you finding London?
I love London.
Compared
I've
to
been here for 12 years. So
Ohio.
yeah.
What are the differences between the two?
I mean, London is just a lot more vibrant and a lot more diverse.
Yeah. America has places like that, right? Like
There's places that are diverse and vibrant. Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
But I don't know. I feel like the US is much more polarized than the UK, and the UK is kind of heading that way too. But
the UK is definitely heading that way. Yeah. What was your name again?
Andrew. Yeah.
Ronnie. Okay, let me grab a couple of portraits of you, if that's okay. Let me just get my settings very quickly. Okay, we'll do one straight on, looking at the camera. Beautiful. Just dip your head down just a little bit. Perfect. I love that serious look, man. And then if you just stand like side on a little bit like this. Amazing. And I'm just gonna get one from a little low angle, make you look a bit more authoritarian. Just reach out your hand towards me.
This one?
Yeah, just kind of like this. Let's see what we can get there. Andrew, you're a superstar. Thank you so much.
What was your handle on Instagram again?
I'll give it to you in 2 seconds. So these are kind of some of the people
so
that
down the street. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. I just when I see someone, I just approach them and see if they want to interact. If they don't, they don't. If they do, they do.
Cool.
Quite like that one.
Yeah, it's a good one.
Yeah, you can take my Instagram and then I can tag you in there.
Sure.
And then you can be part of the page.
Let me add you on Instagram.
Yeah, sure. What's this one's name?
Chewy.
Chewy?
Yeah.
You're a friendly dog, aren't you, Chewy?
Really nice.
Look at you. Yeah, you want a stroke, don't you, Chewy? After Chewbacca?
After Chewbacca, yeah. Can you pop it in there?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. Yeah, he makes a lot of noises like Chewbacca.
Oh, really?
That's why he's named Chewbacca, yeah.
Ah. There we go.
Cool.
There you go.
Thank you.
Andrew, thanks for your time, bro.
Yeah,
You're a superstar.
Good luck.
Have a beautiful day.